In this video, I'll go over how to use the Insert Row shortcut in LibreOffice Calc. Hi, my name is Michael with Office Nifty. I make quick tips and video tutorials on how to use Calc software. So actually, there is a shortcut, but it's for insert cells and not necessarily insert row. So I'll demonstrate. Here I'll just create a range of numbers so it's more easily seen where I add a row in my demonstration. So the shortcut to add cells is actually Control and the plus key. I'll try here. I've selected cell A9 and I'll type in the shortcut. So it brings up an Insert Cells dialog. And to insert row, just select entire row and choose OK. So now actually a row was inserted here into row number 9. But as you can tell, using the dialog, it also allows to insert a column, or it could allow us to shift the cells down or shift the cells to the right. It's not strictly an insert row shortcut, and plus there's an extra step of using this dialog. But just as a note, when pressing the plus key, it has to be the plus on the numeric keypad on the keyboard. So if you're using a laptop or a portable keyboard without a number pad, using the plus key right next to backspace actually won't work. So now I'll show you how to actually create your own shortcut to do an insert row. And that'll save you time because you don't need to choose anything from the dialog, and it'll automatically insert the row where we want it to. So the way to do this is to customize keyboard shortcuts. We can go to Tools in the menu and choose Customize. And go to the keyboard tab, and here on the top area is the list of all the shortcut keys that we have, and there's quite a lot of them here. I'll just head to where the current shortcut for insert cells. Okay, I found it. So this is the default shortcut key for insert cells, and there's a nice tooltip to explain what it does. Now down here in the functions area, this is where we can look for a lot more other functionality and then assign it to any of the unused shortcut keys up here. So I'll look for insert rows. Just type in insert. Under the function, it filtered based on what I typed in, so everything has an insert in it. And I'll scroll down. Here are two options that work for what I want to do. One is to insert rows above, another to insert rows below. So I'll try insert rows below. Notice that keys here is empty. If there is an actual shortcut, it will show up on the right. So to assign a shortcut to do this, all I have to do is select any existing shortcut key that is not used. So I'll just try F3, then I'll click Modify. So notice now after clicking Modify, F3 shows up under the keys list for insert rows below. Now make sure to choose OK. Now I'll test it out. Right now I have cell A11 selected, and I'll just press the F3 key. And there we go. It inserted a row underneath my selection, and that's what I wanted. And it's so much faster. I do not have to choose anything from a dialog, and it just works. And I could do the same thing to do insert rows above or any other kind of inserts that I wanted to. Now I'll show you that we can delete our custom shortcut if we wanted to. Here I'm back into the Customize dialog under the Keyboard tab. And for the F3 key, this is what I had just assigned. So to undo this, all we have to do is on the right, choose Delete. Or if I want to reset everything, I can choose Reset. For now, I'll just try Delete. So now we see that the key F3 doesn't have anything assigned to it anymore. I'll choose OK. And now if I try Insert by pressing F3, nothing is happening. So that's it for today's quick tip. If this was helpful, I recommend you to watch my other video about how to insert multiple rows into LibreOffice Calc. I appreciate it if you help my channel by simply subscribing. It's free to you, and it also helps you to find some relevant videos from my channel when you're searching for LibreOffice. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, stay nifty.